Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to get all your skills to level 100 in Skyrim. This is no cheat, not a fake, but works. In truth, it's a glitch, not a cheat. Remember, not a cheat. I don't know if this will work for the PS3 or Xbox, but it works fine on the PC. If you didn't update your Skyrim and stuff, I don't know how. So yeah, we're gonna start. So first, requirements are a working Skyrim game and have completed the Discerning the Chance Monday quest from Septimus Sigus or Septimus Singus or something. I forgot his name. I did this a long time ago. If you really would want to trigger this quest, you'll need to speak to an orc in the College of Winterhold, or you could just get that in the quest Elder Knowledge. Take note of that. So after you finish the quest, you'll get this item called the Ogma Infinium. It's a Daedric artifact. It's a Daedric artifact, and you'll need a bookshelf. Now, how do you do this? First of all, save or make a backup file, so if you go wrong, you can just reload the save file and go back and stuff. So now, after you do that, go to a bookshelf, then you read the book on the bookshelf, click one of the phrases that appear, example, Path of the Mage, don't click, do not read yet. Now store the book in the bookshelf, read it and select do not read and take it, read and select a phrase again. You should also do that on the bookshelf and then store it on the bookshelf again. Rinse and repeat. Now you can comment, rate and subscribe. And if you can't understand this, watch other videos or search the internet. So that's it for today. I already put their comment, rate, and subscribe, so I won't tell you anymore. It'll just be redundant. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. Goodbye, guys. See you next time.